I'm Richard.
I'm Michael.
And this is Mother's Day by Blink-182. You ready for this? You got it?
I'm ready.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, go.
I wanna fuck a dog in the ass. I wanna fuck a dog. That's right, kids. I tried to fuck your mom in the ass. Tried to fuck your dad in the ass. Could only find the dog and his ass. We wanna fuck a dog in the ass. We wanna fuck a dog in the ass. We wanna fuck a dog. I tried to fuck a fucking pirate in the ass. Scurvy cur. Tried to fuck a fucking pirate, but I found the dog. That was my own sister. So louder, Michael. Fuck a dog in the ass. We wanna fuck a dog in the ass. Fuck a fucking dog. Fuck you. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, stop it. Is this still recording? What are you doing? Stop recording.